Hi everyone, come with me to get some microneedling done at Skin Vitality Medical Clinic in Hamilton. So excited to show you guys the process. Here we're just cleansing the skin and getting it prepped for the procedure. I did numb for a little bit, but it's not super needed. I don't find it terribly painful. Here we've started the microneedling. We're using the DP4 gun from Dermapen World. It's a really amazing gun. I chose to go with an anti-aging serum today just to get some nice collagen production. You will see me flinch a little bit throughout the procedure, but it's really not that bad. It just feels like some rough sandpaper rubbing up against your skin. Here you can see we're going on the cheeks, so we're going to do the whole entire face today. The technician was really great, really gentle, and talked me through the whole thing. Right after the procedure, we put on a nice cooling mask with some hyaluronic acid, and this is immediately after. And then this is me the morning after, about 24 hours later, and my skin is looking great. Bye guys!